Yeah.
Nigga, I'm a boss when you walked up. You already know that I hit the club. I'm hitting dubs. Nigga, you already know that I got you fucked up. You thinking shit. What you drinking, bitch? I'm all up in your crown, bitch. You already know I'm in the town, bitch. These town we going down, bitch. Yeah, talking that boss shit, but you already know you lost, bitch. Did a false, bitch. And I got your bitch on my Skype, bitch. Yeah, she fucking liking a nigga, so I fucking spitting game to all you fucking lanes. Yeah, bro, we do it the same. We do it the same. You already know. Fuck around with me and I ain't no hoe. Jordan Griffin, that's where I'm going. You already know, that's fucking name. Swagging on you fucking lanes. Like fucking LeBron James. You already know I'm in the game. I've been the same, I get in the game.
Came on your bitch like, yeah, it was some mistake. But I still got it like a nigga had swag today. Yeah, I still doing your bitch like it was on today. But I still got your bitch like you know swag today. Yeah, I swag so crazy. Yeah, I swag so crazy. Man, my swag so crazy. Man, I take your bitch, man. Yeah, my swag so crazy. Yeah, my swag so crazy. Yeah, my swag so crazy. I'ma take your bitch, man. Hop up out the jag and looking just like a rich nigga. They say they don't talk, but yeah, they might kill a nigga. But I come in with my swag, and them niggas ain't really got shit to say. And I just pull a bad bitch at the bar, so I guess I'm the nigga for today. And let's keep talking. Let's talk about silver racks and dollars. I got so many in my motherfucking car, and I got some in my truck and my Impala. If a nigga try to ride it, it's all good, cause I got something under that motherfucker hood. I'm trying to shotgun, I'm getting 16 with a laser scope, nigga. I'm at your fucking head, talking more shit than the nigga did. I ain't talking about none of that bullshit, cause that bullshit to get a nigga chalked up. And I ain't talking about, I ain't no salad though. I'ma come up in this thing like a motherfucking king, so this welcome to my motherfucking palace, nigga. Keep on talking shit, nigga. I'ma see them dogs, nigga, like Morales.
Nigga say you a real nigga, but what you say you talk behind my back, bro. You already know. I know you can't with me for a fact, bro. I keep it up. Yeah, 40 D time, dude. Water Jack, Michigan. That's where it's fucking down. Yeah, nigga, we up and we up on top. We don't fucking snitch, so we ain't never talk to a cop. Yeah, we keep them guap and we keep them not, and we keep the medical. And I shoot side. In the block, huh? You talking shit, bruh, but you ain't new to it. You ain't know me, bruh. Yeah, nigga, the realest nigga back out. Jordan Griffin, always on that tack out. Yeah, and I'm back in this bitch. Money making mission, don't you never forget it. Fucking around, got my fitted in the fucking sock, stay fucking Nike'd up to the fucking hat game, man. Snapbacks, tattoos, you already know you at cool. Fuck around with me, bitch. Swag like me too. You do. You already think. Fuck around me and new, bruh. You already know me, nigga. You already see me in fucking handcuffs. So I ain't a snitch, nigga. And you's a bitch, nigga. Yeah, keep it rich, nigga. For them real niggas. Yeah, we do it, bruh. G-Town. That's the Mag Town. Throw it up.
Yeah, hey.
Black,
yeah,
black.
yeah, man.
We from the fucking Jack.
Yeah.